Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm collabing with my friend Dawn from Sign Parties 101, and we're going to be making a round door hanger that's year-round style. I think you're going to love it. So she's making the sign, and I am going to add the florals and make it extra beautiful. First, let's pick out some florals and greenery. Since this round door hanger is going to be for year-round, I'm going to pick greenery that is year-round, and then white florals because those also look great for year-round. And a lot of people do this with a bow to hide the middle, but I'm going to be using flowers instead, so it looks really, really natural.
Hey!
Hi! All right, this is Dawn with Sign Parties 101.
Hey guys!
And she brought over her beautiful sign she just made, and she has a full tutorial on how to do this on her YouTube channel, so go check that out after you watch this video. I will link it in the description. She's also added a nice way to hang it also. She's got another video on her channel on how to add this kind of stuff to the back of the sign, so that would be very helpful.
Yeah, it's really easy. It's just D-rings with a wire, and it's plastic coated, so it's super, super nice on your fingers.
We are going to add some beautiful florals for year-round. What we're going to need for this is a little piece of floral foam. I just have a big block that I've been cutting off of.
And don't forget your stapler. These are 3/8 inch staples is what we used in here.
Then I'm going to be using hot glue gun, my favorite wire cutters. So what we're using for this is some camellia. Look how gorgeous that is. It looks and feels real. This is from Michael's. And then some button leaf fern. This is from Hobby Lobby. Osmanthus. And some camellia leaves and some white berries. First thing we're going to do is we are going to glue the foam onto the board, but glue alone is not enough. So this is just the first step, and we want to put it kind of at an angle from the home and right at the end. It's crackling because the glue is hot. I can't go back now. And then for some extra security, we're going to add our camellia leaves first. I just cut it up and then I'm going to bend it a little bit along the circle. We're going to add it right at the bottom, and then Dawn is going to staple it to the sign. Those staplers freak me out.
It's very simple.
Don't point it at me. So I'm just going to add these at the very bottom, and then she's going to staple them so that will not only hold in the florals, but it'll also keep this block from falling off. I don't think it would, but you never know. Better safe than sorry. So first, I'm going to dab a little glue. I'll try not to glue the sign. I'm just going to stick this right at the bottom. And then here, I'll do the other one, and then she's going to staple it. So this will hold the foam down to the sign. Okay. Ta-da.
Nice.
All right, so now we're just going to add in a few more pieces of camellia leaves. But you can use ficus or anything like that. I get these wholesale. You can just use ficus if you can't find these. Same leaf structure. And this way you can add lots of greenery and florals. A lot of people like to add a bow to this kind of thing, but I prefer the more natural look. So
I'm not a bow person.
That's why we're friends. Okay.
I never would have thought to put the hot glue along with the foam piece.
When you ship things all the time, well, you ship things.
Mm-hmm.
It just helps it stay.
Stick. Nice.
I'm all about the extra security. Now we're going to add in our little ferns for some extra texture. I like to have a few kinds of texture. Wow.
You're like, I'm so glad she's not here all the time.
No, wish you're here all the time.
Well, now that you live closer.
I know. Okay. I'm just making sure to curve it along the sign so it keeps that circle shape without looking too top heavy. And then I'm going to add one more kind of greenery because I like having 3 because it keeps it interesting. This is the osmanthus from Michael's. Also, one tip, you can cut it at an angle if you're having a hard time at getting it in. That way it makes a little bit of a point and it goes into the foam easier. Thanks. Do you want to put one in?
Oh, sure. Yeah, yeah.
So just put it like right there. So just add some glue and put it in.
Okay. A beginner here.
Wrong side. I'm just kidding.
And you do this little curly thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Like right here?
Mm-hmm. That was amazing. That looks better than mine.
Is that when you like fix the laundry after your kids go away? Like,
yes.
Refluff the towels.
Okay. I don't know if I need this piece or not. I'll add it if I need it later. So now, because we don't want to add a bow, we're going to add our camellias as our focal piece. And I've already cut it, and see it's kind of at a little point. They have thicker stems, but I'm going to kind of put that on the bottom here. I don't want to cover up the H. There. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You can still see
I
the
think
H.
it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'll add the other one back here. I'll leave a link to these camellias as well if you want to grab them from Michael's. These exact ones. They're so pretty. Now we're just going to add our last piece of camellia. Nice bud. So it looks really natural and hangs down. Now we're going to add our berries. Just adding a pop of white, which I love that the letters are white because it really ties it all together. All right, here it is, all finished. What do you think?
It looks so good. I love how this just adds so much to the sign.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Dawn's channel, Sign Parties 101, to learn how to make this gorgeous sign. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.